Okay, I'm going to show you guys what I use blood for. The spray bottle. I'm going to spray a little bit of blood on my cosplay. A little bit of blood, not too much, on any kind of costume that you're making for make it look realistic. Like that. We have it. Nice effect. Alright, today we're going to bring some fake blood for your Halloween cosplay or any kind of decorations you're going to do. You want to scare people around, this is pretty much what you use. Now, this is fake blood and it's not edible. It's sprayed around the actual areas that you want. Gives you a warning, protect from work surfaces before use. All right, so this is kind of going to stain the area, so make sure that you have a nice area where you're going to spray this. So on pumpkins, this is a perfect way to do it. Wouldn't recommend you on foods. Only, aesthetic stuff, aesthetic stuff that's not going to be able to use. You're going to throw it away after. This is perfect. So let's see how high quality of blood does it look like. So let's go ahead and put a mat here and spray some of it. So we're going to go ahead and spray a little bit. I'm gonna shake it a little bit and see how well it works. There's the blood. That looks real right there. Look at that. And you know what? This is a perfect thing too. If you are also using model kits and you're gonna create some scary model kits, this is perfect too. The actual stains look realistic. They look realistic. They're perfect for Halloween scares. So this is a great way to actually start your Halloween cosplays or anything, your decorations you want to do. So very simple, easy to use. It's a little spray and they come in very small. Fits in the hand. It fits in the size of my hand. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.